Laughter has several positive effects on the brain, and it triggers various physiological and psychological responses. Here are some of the effects of laughter on the brain. Release of endorphins. Laughter stimulates the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. Endorphins promote an overall sense of well-being and can temporarily relieve pain. Reduction of stress hormones. Laughter has been shown to reduce the level of stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. This can contribute to a more relaxed state and help alleviate stress and anxiety. Increased oxygen intake. When we laugh, we tend to take in more oxygen. This increased oxygen intake can lead to improved blood flow and circulation, benefiting the cardiovascular system and the brain. Activation of the reward system. Laughter activates the brain's reward system, particularly dopamine release. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, contributing to a positive mood. Stimulation of the limbic system. The limbic system, which is involved in emotional processing, is activated during laughter. This can enhance emotional bonding with others and contribute to social connection. Enhanced memory and learning. Some studies suggest that laughter may have positive effects on memory and learning. The joy and positive emotions associated with laughter may create an optimal environment for cognitive processes. Strengthening of the immune system. Laughter may have immune-boosting effects. Positive emotions and reduced stress can contribute to a healthier immune system, supporting the body's ability to defend against illnesses. Muscle relaxation. Laughter can induce muscle relaxation, helping to reduce physical tension in the body. This relaxation can persist even after the laughter has subsided. Improved mood. Laughter is a natural mood enhancer. It can lift spirits, reduce feelings of sadness or anger, and contribute to an overall more positive outlook. Social bonding. Shared laughter promotes social bonding and strengthens social connections. The act of laughing together with others can enhance relationships and create a sense of camaraderie. It's important to note that the effects of laughter can vary from person to person, and not all laughter is the same. Genuine, spontaneous laughter tends to have more pronounced positive effects than forced or fake laughter. Overall, incorporating laughter into daily life can contribute to both physical and mental well-being.